Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this new trade that we just took in. This is a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX IO. Starting back here on the swim platform, you can see it's got the sea deck on the back here, as well as the nice large sun pad with the extended sunshade that can come out over that so you can get some time out of the sun, enjoying your day out on the water. As we head into the boat, you can see your battery switches are located in the compartment here on the starboard side. Nice and easy to turn the boat on and off as you're entering. You have a little cooler under here, so if you're hanging out for the day, you can have drinks and stuff and food in there. That way you don't have to keep coming on and off the boat and getting the boat all sandy. And then you also have a convenient freshwater wash down right there. So if you do have to go into the boat to the refrigerator or anything, you can just hose off, wash the kids off, whatever you need to do coming back into the boat. As we head down into the boat, it's got the double step down in. So this is again, 310 SLX. Sea Ray does a great job of making sure you're riding in the boat and not up on top of the boat. So nice and safe and comfortable. Huge wraparound seating area here in the back. It does have the teak overlay table that is stored down in the engine room. Again, this is a 310 SLX IO. It is equipped with twin 350 Merc Cruisers with the Bravo 3 outdrives. This boat only has about 36 hours on the engines and was lift kept, so there is no bottom paint. Over to the starboard side, you can see it's got the storage area there, or the cooler. If you wanted to ice that down, you could have some drinks if you're going out for a cocktail cruise, or if you're going to spend the day on the water, you could have lunch and everything like that ready to go. And then this closes down and you have a nice little serving area as well as a freshwater sink. Refrigerator on down below, so you can keep things nice and cool. Twin seats on both port and starboard, so your captain's chair is a twin with the flip-up bolster, as well as over here on the port side. And then this seat will also spin, so you can spin it back and face your entertainment area. So if you are hanging out for the day, just that way you can be part of the conversation, or when you're running the boat, you can spin it back to the forward position and see what's going on as you're heading along. Over to the helm station, it's got the twin 12-inch Simrads, all touchscreen. Some buttons there for redundancy. This does have the Fusion stereo upgrade, so you have a subwoofer and a separate amplifier. Obviously twin engines with the joystick feature. Joystick is nice. You get the sky hook, you get the auto heading, and then you can also follow waypoints there. And then this one has the VHF, Simrad VHF down there below as well. Bathroom is over here to the port side. Nice big head area. It's got a freshwater sink in there as well. Heading up into the bow, you can see that we do have that sea deck throughout the boat, and then a nice big wraparound seating area. The 310 SLX is a very, very popular model, able to accommodate a ton of friends and family. This is a great boat. Heading back into the cockpit. Show the hardtop up above. So you do have the opening canvas skylight up there, as well as that extended sunshade that I talked about earlier. Again, this is a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX IO. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough, you can reach us here at MarineMax in Somers Point, and our phone number is 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.